everybody, my name is Simranjeet Kaur and I am from 8th Kalpana. This is my mathematics activity number 2 on kite polygon. In this activity, I have explained about kite and its important points to see. A kite is a quadrilateral whose four sides can be grouped into two pairs of equal length sides that are adjacent to each other. In contrast, a parallelogram also has two pairs of equal length sides but they are opposite to each other instead of being adjacent. एक kite ऐसा quadrilateral होता है जिसकी four sides होती हैं and four sides में से two sides two pairs में grouped की जा सकती हैं, वो भी equal length की में, जो एक दूसरे को adjacent होती हैं. जैसे ये equal length pair 2 हो गई, टू साइड्स हैं इक्वल लेंथ की, टू साइड्स इक्वल लेंथ की और ये एडजेसेंट भी हैं. ओके. इन कॉन्ट्रास्ट अ पैरेललोग्राम आल्सो हैज टू पेयर्स ऑफ इक्वल लेंथ साइड्स. अब पैरेललोग्राम के भी पास टू पेयर्स होती हैं इक्वल साइड्स की, बट वो ऑपोजिट होती हैं एक दूसरे के, ना कि एडजेसेंट होती हैं. टू ड्रॉ ए काइट इट वुड बी अ प्लेन फिगर क्लोज शेप पॉलीगन. अगर हमें कोई काइट को ड्रॉ करना है तो वो प्लेन फिगर होनी चाहिए और वो एक क्लोज शेप होनी चाहिए एंड वो एक पॉलीगन भी होना चाहिए. लुक एट द एडजेसेंट फिगर. अ काइट हैज टू एडजेसेंट इक्वल साइड्स दैट इज AB इक्वल BC एंड AD इक्वल DC. ये ऐसे कह रहे हैं कि जो इस काइट में देखिए इसकी एडजेसेंट इक्वल साइड्स हैं, जैसे कि इसे आप A मान लीजिए, इसे B एंड इसे C एंड इसे D. ठीक है. AB किसके इक्वल है? BC के. एंड AD किसके इक्वल है? DC के. यही इन्होंने बताया. इन अ काइट टू डिस्टिंक्ट एडजेसेंट पेयर्स ऑफ साइड्स आर ऑफ इक्वल लेंथ. वन ऑफ द डायगोनल्स इज बाइसेक्टेड बाय द अदर. द डायगोनल्स इंटरसेक्ट एट 90 डिग्री. ये हमें ये बता रहे हैं कि जो अलग अलग एडजेसेंट पेयर्स होती हैं वो इक्वल होती हैं. मतलब जो ये एडजेसेंट पेयर हैं दोनों, ये दोनों इक्वल हैं एंड ये एडजेसेंट हैं दोनों. ठीक है. वन ऑफ द डायगोनल इज बाइसेक्टेड बाय द अदर. एक डायगोनल बाइसेक्टेड होता है दूसरे डायगोनल से. द डायगोनल्स इंटरसेक्ट एट 90 डिग्री. ये इंटरसेक्ट करते हैं कहाँ पे? 90 डिग्री पे इंटरसेक्ट करते हैं. मैंने दिखाया ही भी हुआ है. सो दैट्स इट फॉर मी, जो भी मैंने आपको समझाना था. सो थैंक यू. दिस इज माई एक्ट.
Good evening everyone. My name is Mehakpreet Kaur. I am from class 8 Kalpana. Today my topic is about kite, which is a quadrilateral. So let's start. Now first of all I will tell you that what is a quadrilateral and what are its types. A quadrilateral has four sides, four exterior angles and four interior angles. Exterior angles are those angles which are outside the quadrilateral and interior angles are those angles which are inside the quadrilateral. Quadrilaterals has two diagonals also. Quadrilaterals are of different types like rhombus, square, rectangle, parallelogram, trapezium, isosceles trapezium and kite. Now I will tell you about kite. A kite is a quadrilateral whose four sides can be grouped into two pairs of equal length sides that are adjacent to each other. Now, what are adjacent sides? Adjacent sides are those sides which meet at a common vertex. In kite, one of the diagonals is bisected by the other. The diagonals intersect at 90 degree. Now, if you want to draw a kite, then it would be a closed shape, plane figure and a polygon. So now I will show you my activity number 2. Kite. A kite is a quadrilateral in which two pairs of adjacent sides are equal. One of the diagonals is bisected by the other. The diagonals intersect at 90 degree. It would be a plane and closed figure. This is a kite PQRS. This is a kite ABCD. This is a kite WXYZ. And these are all the kites. So this is my activity. Thank you and have a nice day. Hello everyone, my name is Sia. I am studying 8th Newton. Today I stand before you to speak on the topic kite. A quadrilateral is also called a kite is a polygon that has 4 side figures. In order to form the kite, firstly we have to draw 4 points to draw a kite. No of them 3 sides are not be on the straight line. The 4 points of the kite must be independent. Now we have to look on the adjacent sides and the diagonals of the kite. Now look at this figure of a kite. This is the figure of the kite. So we can find the adjacent sides of the kite. AB is equals to BC and BC is equal to AB is equal to BC and BC is equals to AB. So AD is equal to DC. So we had looked the adjacent sides of the triangle. A kite has 2 adjacent sides are equal. Now we look at the diagonals of the kite. The formula of the diagonal is n multiply n minus 3 by 2. So the kite has the 4 sides. So n is equals to 4. 4 multiply 4 minus 3 is equals to by 2 is equal to 2 diagonals. The kite has 2 diagonals. So we have to look the angles bisected by perpendicular. This angle is the bisected by perpendicular. This angle is also bisected by perpendicular. This is the diagonal that is bisected by perpendicular. These 2 angles are congruent.
It's a kite. Firstly, we can draw it. A kite is a quadrilateral which has 4 sides, can be grouped into 2 parts, pairs of equal length sides that are adjacent to each other. In contrast, a parallelogram also has 2 pairs of equal length sides, but they are opposite to each other. Instead of being adjacent, kite quadrilaterals are named for the wind blowing. Flying kites, which often have this shape and which is term named for a bird. Kites are also called deltoids, but the word deltoid may also refer to deltoid curve, an alterated geometric object.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Harship Kaur. I am student of class 8 Kalpana. Today, I will talk about that how to use kite polygon in mathematics. Let's start our activity number 2. Here we make kite polygon. 2 pairs adjacent sides are equal length. 2 disjoint pairs that one side can't be used on both pairs. The sides of each other pairs are, so ma'am, then we give names A, B, C and D. The angle that are opposite sides each other in between the 2 different sides are also equal. If you look at the diagonals, the longer diagonals are creating right angle. The longer diagonals is also an angle bisector on the top and bottom angle, the perimeter of a kite. Now we write perimeter of kite polygon. Perimeter is A plus B plus C plus D, and area of a kite polygon is 1 by 2 bracket on D1 multiply D2 bracket off. Thank you, ma'am. This is my activity number 2, that is kite polygon. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. Today I will talk about that how to use kite polygon in mathematics. Let's start with our activity. So there we have a kite polygon. As we know, the two pairs of adjacent sides are equal length. Two disjoint pair of consecutive sides, which mean that one side can't be used on both pairs. The sides of each pair are A, B, C and D. The angles that are opposite each other in between the two different sides are also equal. If you look at the diagonal, the longer diagonal put the shorter diagonal half. The diagonal are creating right angle. The longer diagonal is also an angle bisector to the top and bottom angle. The perimeter of kite polygon is A plus B plus C plus D, and the area of kite polygon is 1/2 2 bracket on D1 multiply D2 bracket off. Thank you, ma'am. This is my activity too.
Morning everyone, myself Shubhpreet Kaur from class 8th. Today I am going to discuss about an activity that is regarding chapter number 3, understanding quadrilaterals. The activity is quadrilateral, that is kite. So हम इसमें एक काइट है जो कि क्वाड्रिलेटरल है, उसके बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे, उसकी प्रॉपर्टीज़ के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे. So now the properties of quadrilateral kite are, एक quadrilateral जो कि काइट है उसे बनाने के लिए हमें क्या क्या प्रॉपर्टीज़ होनी उसमें ज़रूरी हैं, उसके कैसे साइड्स होने चाहिए, उसके कैसे एंगल्स होने चाहिए. लेट्स हैव अ लुक ऑन दैम. So it is an quadrilateral, that is kite. So if a kite is drawn, so it would be अगर हमें एक काइट ड्रॉ करना है किसी भी शीट के ऊपर, किसी भी नोटबुक के ऊपर, तो वो कैसा होना चाहिए? प्लेन फिगर. उसमें एक प्लेन फिगर होना चाहिए, जैसे कि ये एक प्लेन फिगर है. क्लोज्ड शेप होनी चाहिए. दिस इज ऑल्सो क्लोज्ड शेप. फ्रॉम नोवेयर इट इज़ ओपन. पॉलीगन. सो ये पॉलीगन भी है. द पेयर्स ऑफ टू एडजेसेंट साइड्स आर इक्वल. जो उसकी टू एडजेसेंट साइड्स होनी चाहिए वो इक्वल होनी चाहिए. वन ऑफ द डायगोनल इज बाइसेक्टेड बाय द अदर. जो पहला डायगोनल है वो दूसरे डायगोनल से बाइसेक्ट कर रहा हो. डायगोनल्स इंटरसेक्ट एट 90 डिग्री. जो डायगोनल्स होने चाहिए वो इंटरसेक्ट कर रहे हो 90 डिग्री पर. थैंक यू सो मच.
Good morning to all. My name is Muntaj Kaur. I study in class 8th Kalpana. Today my topic is kite. A kite is a quadrilateral. In geometry, a kite is a quadrilateral whose four sides can be grouped into two pairs of equal length, sides that are adjacent to each other. Look at this figure. It has 1, 2, 3 and 4 sides. Yes, it has 4 sides. We can group these 4 sides into two pairs. These are two pairs, first pair and second pair. And if we draw a kite, it would be a plane figure. Yes, this is a plane figure. Closed shape. Yes, this is a closed shape. And a polygon. Polygon is a simple closed curves whose sides are all line segment. So see in this picture, there are line segment, all sides are line segment, and also this is a closed shape. So this is a polygon too. Look at this adjacent figure. A kite has two adjacent equal sides. First AB, yes, AB and BC are equal to each other, and AD and DC are equal to each other. Thanks.
Hello, my name is Jasneet Kaur and I am from class 8 Newton, and today I will be explaining this activity on topic kites. A kite is a quadrilateral which has four sides and has two pairs of equal length sides which are adjacent to each other. Here are the properties of kites. Opposite sides are equal in measure. For example, sides AB and CB are equal in measure. Adjacent angles sum up to 180 degree. If we add angle A and angle B, their sum will be 180 degree. Opposite sides are parallel and it has two diagonals that bisect each other, as we can see in this figure. A quadrilateral will be known as kite on the following three conditions. First, it has to be a plane figure. Second, it has to be a closed shape, and third, it has to be a polygon. A kite has two adjacent sides and adjacent angles. Angle X and Y are adjacent to each other. Similarly, angle A and B are adjacent to each other. And it has two adjacent sides. Angle B adjacent to BC and angle AC adjacent to DC.